Do I have any appointments today?
Today at 12 p.m., lunch with Ted. At 7 p.m., dinner with Diana.
Where's the nearest coffee shop?
Here are addresses for coffee shop.
What is the weather like in San Diego?
It's 59 degrees and partly cloudy in San Diego.
Do I need an umbrella?
No, it isn't raining in San Diego.
Navigate to LAX.
Navigating to Los Angeles International Airport.
Play home.
Play Nova. Call Peggy Jordan.
Calling Peggy Jordan, mobile.
Hey Peggy, how was the meeting?
Hey Gary, how are you?
Here's the message. If you want to wet coffee later.
What time?
Here's your text to Gary Armstrong. What time do you want to send it?
Yes.
Sending message.
What time is sunset?
The sun will set at 4:46 p.m.
How far is it from here to the moon?
The moon is 238,900 miles from Earth.
What is the loneliest number?
The loneliest number is 1.
So this is Halo 9, okay? We started creating something called Restyle for the last 4 or 5 years, and what Restyle was the idea of creating very large displays, 8, 9, even 10-inch displays for vehicles in very specific applications. What we got, the biggest feedback we got from customers was that, what about my car? When am I going to be able to put a large display in my car? We wanted to create a 9-inch display that worked in a universal application. So this is actually a 9-inch display with a single DIN chassis. As long as you have a single DIN opening in your head unit, you're able to install this unit in there.
Cool. Something that I really noticed about this, talking about this display, how sleek and cool it looks. Can you talk a little bit about that display?
The display itself is actually floating above the dash. So you have a point where it mounts to that chassis, but it's pushed out slightly, and there's no part of the display that's actually touching the dash. So it's a floating, modernized look. All the edges are beveled, and they go in so that you have that nice silver trim around the edge. So it looks really clean, really modernized.
Very cool. Now you talked about a wide range of vehicles that this will fit in, and most dashboards are all different.
Right.
So how do you make this look right in all these different dashes?
So the display actually gets installed last, and the display has several mounting positions, so you can actually mount it vertically in 5 separate positions. So if you have something below the dash that you don't want to cover up, you can actually move the screen up and then mount it there. These are all fixed positions, so it's not going to be bouncing or moving around while you're driving. But alongside the 5 positions vertically, you can actually position it 3 in an angle, forward or back. You can actually push it in and out depending on how deep your dash is. If you want really clean looking, you'll really flush with the dash, and that's capable of doing that too.
Nice. Now you talked about Restyle earlier, and I know that they had communication with the vehicle that you could pull up on the screen. Does this have that as well?
Absolutely. So this is compatible with the Maestro module made by iDataLink, which allows you to get vehicle information on screen. So you can see tire pressure, you can see your HVAC information, depending on the vehicle you have, of course, and you can actually see, door pin, again, tire pressure. So
cool. That's very nice. Very nice features. Other features that I see the big icons here on the screen. What are some other cool features of this product that people have to have?
So alongside modernizing the look of your dash, we also want to modernize the technology. And in order to do that, we wanted to make sure that we had the latest and greatest technology from your smartphone. So we have Apple CarPlay, we have Android Auto, which allows you to mirror applications from your phone onto the head unit. So you have all the important apps that you can use while driving, like maps, music, messages, things like that. You have one-touch access to all those features that mirror your phone without having to worry about playing with your phone unsafely while you're driving.
Yeah, that's great.